Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I'm on my way to school, and yeah, that's it. My allergies are coming back, and I feel like trash, and I'm not ready. I'm not ready to feel like trash every morning. This is hard to do with one hand. Okay. I literally got gas on Monday. My life is so hard. I can never truly escape. I'm here every day for so many times. The moon right now is insane. Great. No, okay. So I think the last thing I recorded was me coming home. That's right. I done and went to drama already and all that. It's 8 o'clock now. But I'm going to Kroger to get ice cream. I'm so tired and I feel like shit, but I want ice cream so bad. So I'm going to Kroger to get some ice cream. And yeah. So yeah, I thought I would record that because I always forget to record things. So yeah, okay. Okay, I know I already said something about the moon, but like it's literally so big. It's so beautiful, and wow, I wish I could capture how actually insanely awesome the moon is. Like wow, wow, wow. Wow, what a beautiful day.
I rolled up talking to you.
I heard you, but like I didn't.
Oh.
I heard I'm gonna have to leave, but.
No, I was gonna give you coffee. I'm gonna say Sonny and we'll have to ask you.
I was about to like.
Oh my God. I saw you. I meant park up there so we could be by the restrooms and shelter house and we could just sit in the shelter house.
Oh fuck, if you want to, yeah. Let's move it. Let's go. Shit. Skate. It's like too dark for me to see you.
I brought my camera too.
But I brought like my good camera too, but I wanted to record this.
This is so sick.
Okay, that's pretty. It's insane because it looks like it's really dark and like, but it's like 6 in the morning. Insane.
From the hole is so big, I need a screen. Hey, we can go to Hobby Lobby and find some really thin wire and like make a screen.
You're fucking right, we could. You see the deer back there though? Yeah, it's insane. I wish it showed up on the camera better, but look at how awesome the sunset or sunrise is. Okay. Hey guys, so happy Friday. It's just a Friday and tonight I'm gonna fall down these steps. But yeah, I'm just home. And I'm gonna just chill, you know. So yeah, I'm making hash browns and then I'm gonna eat this ice cream. And then I'm gonna put almond milk in one of these cups from M's work. So yeah. Yeah, not doing, yeah, that's it. Like, I'm not gonna be doing anything else except for eating and watching YouTube. I don't know, I thought about, why am I coming in here? Oh yeah, almond milk. I thought about doing, oh my god, Teddy. That's not his food. He has to eat like kitten food and he like doesn't. Why don't you eat your food? It's not yours. Not a care in the world. Okay. Oh, hey. Oh, he's gonna fight. They're gonna fight. He stopped eating it. Is Chaz about to eat that kitten food? Because that would be funny. Okay. Anyway, I thought about recording like a sit down type vlog thing tonight, but I don't know. It's 8 and I'm already like really tired, so I don't know. But yeah, that was an update. So after I was done like frying the potatoes, I decided to throw a vegan burger in there. I think it's like a breakfast type thing. I don't remember, but it looks real good. Yeah, let's just say. Got the whole setup here. Almond milk, like hash brown, fake sausage dinner type situation. Ice cream for dessert, snickerdoodle, cashew milk. Yes, sir. You heard me right. Oh, yeah. And like, you know, the setup, like the whole setup is here. It's so orange, like, or red, like, I don't know. It's weird, but chill Friday night. Hello. So good. I have to tell you what I did because it's so good. Okay, plain hash browns, nothing like in them at all. Hash browns, okay. And then put the hash browns and cut up some onions and put it, and some hot sauce, and put them all at the same time, like in oil, and let them all like cook together. And then take them out and let them cool. And while they're like cooling, put some kind of veggie burger or something in the oil that was left over, because it'll have hot sauce in it still. So good.
Let me just soak it in. Oh yeah, stale coffee, fingerprinting ink, whatever Charles is fermenting in his desk. Beans? Beans? It's like I never left.
I've been such a bad vlogger this weekend. It's because I didn't do anything all weekend. I've been stuck at home. And I've just been like watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Like that's what I've been doing. And I like, you know how I normally take my laptop to work on Saturday and like record that I'm at work and editing? Well, I forgot my laptop and my camera, so I didn't get to record anything. So yeah, I don't even really think I filmed on Friday. I don't think so. Like, oh my god, no, but it's Sunday now, and I have 2 papers to write and a monologue to prepare for, so I'm not doing anything else today. I don't even think it's like early in the morning, I'm pretty sure, or at least afternoon. I'm very scared this coffee's gonna fall, but my phone is all the way over there. Ah, what do I do? Okay. Okay. It's 11:14. I've been up for a while. I've been up since like 9, I think. Yeah. And so yeah, probably not doing anything else. I'm not gonna end this vlog right this second, so that way it'll force me to edit videos and I'll have to record and edit later. So technically this vlog's over, but I'm not gonna say goodbye yet until later. Okay. Okay, thank you for that. What a dirty screen or camera I have. No, but I haven't started this paper I have to write, and yeah, right now, and I haven't started editing either, but I'm looking for this project I did a while ago to send to a friend, and my iPad's outside and I'm way too lazy to go get it, so I'm looking for it in my old mail in the hopes that this is it. Is this it? I don't even really remember. Not that this matters, I don't need to record this, but I just wanted to record her standing on my laptop because she's cute. But yeah, no, I haven't edited anything. I'm just gonna end the vlog anyway because I'm lazy and I'm not gonna edit tonight probably. But no, I think I'm gonna be up like all night. Okay, what do you want? Why are you back there? Okay. Sorry I didn't vlog much this weekend. I've had kind of a stressful weekend. I don't know. really just want to be done. Just with like everything. I just want to like stop doing stuff. But anyway. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.